Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. I will now be presenting the operation of the pre-amplifier do-it-yourself kit that I assembled yesterday. It's this one here. This is vacuum tube number 1, vacuum tube number 2, and this is other parts here are actually the supporting components. This is where we inject the audio input. This is where we will be bringing out the audio output. This is the power terminal. So right now, I connected an ammeter, okay, between this pre-amplifier do-it-yourself kit and this regulated DC power supply. I also assembled this one. This is a variable DC power supply. The voltage requirement of this pre-amplifier kit is actually 12.6 volts. So a while ago, I set the voltage across this one to 12.6. The requirement of this one here is 12.6. And I connected in series an ammeter so that I could monitor the current coming from this regulated DC power supply by the consumption of this pre-amplifier kit. This is not just simply an amplifier. It's a pre-amplifier kit, meaning to say before we could hear a sound from here, the sound output here will be minimal. So for us to hear a good sound, we will connect this one to another amplifier. This is my other amplifier here. It's a sound bar. So this output here is connected to the sound bar. So whatever output coming from this one, which is actually interference free, will be brought out to this terminal here, and it goes to the soundbar here. And we could hear a good sound coming to the soundbar, emanating from this pre-amplifier kit. The audio source will be this small Walkman radio here. It's a stereo. This is the audio output, and it's plugged in here to the audio input. So if we try to operate this one here, the audio from this one will pass to the pre-amplifier, which is a vacuum tube pre-amplifier kit. Okay? It will be processed here. It's not so loud because it's just a preamp. So for us to hear a good sound, we must have to bring out the output. Then this will go to a bigger amplifier so we could hear the good sound. Okay, as you can see it, vacuum tube number 1 and number 2 is lighted, meaning to say this pre-amplifier kit, which I assembled yesterday, is now working. So all is ready. The big amplifier is lighted. The power source is lighted. The pre-amplifier kit is lighted. And we monitor the current consumption of this one. So it's around 0.172 amperes. So the only missing now is actually the audio input. This small FM radio here is powered by this one here. Okay, it's plugged in already. So as soon as I will try to, okay.
Good things can happen. That's all I can say. I mean, I think a lot of good things can happen.
It works.
It could also pertain to healthcare.
Stacey Lynn,
The
CBS
audio
News,
from this,
the number of air
it goes
traffic
inside.
controllers calling in sick since the
It
government
will be
shut down
pre-amplified
began
here.
has ticked up slightly,
Then it goes
according
to the
Transportation
big
Secretary
amplifier.
Sean Duffy. Staff
Actually, we could
much as half in some locations.
increase or decrease the volume.
Is our airspace unsafe?
Okay.
If we think there's issues in the airspace, we will shut it down.
Illinois filed suit today to stop the deployment of National Guard troops. Governor Pritzker arguing
It
the
works,
influx
man.
of federal agents has been destabilizing.
This is the symbol
His agents have brought has actively
pre-amplifier vacuum chip.
But President Trump
Kit.
says he could invoke the
It's a
insurrection.
pre-amplifier comprises of two vacuum tubes and other supporting components. The signal here will be amplified here, and for us to hear a good sound,
CDC is out with its
we
new
will divert
guidelines
this
for
one to a
some
bigger
vaccines,
amplifier.
including COVID-19 shots.
Okay, I could shut this sound, and if we try to increase it,
recently made by advisors picked by Health Secretary Kennedy and have now been adopted. Before, it was recommended that anyone 6
Okay.
months and older get a booster. As
It
COVID
works.
Continues to evolve. The CDC
Okay,
also
that's it,
recommends that
guys.
those under
That's
3
the
years old
symbol
receive the chickenpox shot separately from the
pre-amplifier
measles, mumps,
kit,
and
which
rubella shot. There is a single shot that
comprises of
contains all 4
6
and carries a
G1
high risk
vacuum
of
tubes.
fevers and fever-related
Good
seizures.
afternoon from Los Angeles.
Underway on the U.S. peace plan
This is
for
Professor
Gaza.
David
Former
J.
Israeli
De Los
diplomat
Reyes.
Alan Pincus.